We're now getting some breaking news that's coming in. We're learning that BJP's Gujarat president is likely to be announced tomorrow. This nomination for the state BJP president will take place tomorrow, and this is going to be between 11 a.m. to 12 noon. On Monday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a meeting with BJP chief JP Nadda, also the Union Home Minister Amit Shah at his residence, and possibly this was discussed. The BJP chief for the state president, in fact, for the state of Gujarat, and that in all likelihood is going to be announced tomorrow. The nomination process is going to be taking place between 11 tomorrow till noon. My colleague Payal Mehta has got us all of those details. Payal, that big meeting that the Prime Minister had with BJP chief and the Home Minister possibly was one aspect was possibly to discuss this.
Well, absolutely. You do understand that in the BJP, no decision is taken in a solo manner. There is always a group discussion. There is always taking everybody along as well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the captain of the ship, is the captain of the team. Vice President, beg your pardon, JP Nadda is the president of the party, and of course Amit Shah is a very senior minister and also from Gujarat as well. So that discussion would have been imminent given the fact that the BJP did gather some pace as far as the organization elections were concerned, and then it just stopped suddenly. So, big states like Gujarat, big states like Karnataka and big states like Uttar Pradesh are still pending. So that's going to be, we are going to be able to see at least some movement forward as far as that is concerned. Although the requisite number to hold the president's election are already complete, but the BJP sources have told me that they're waiting for elections to happen to these three states before the national president's elections can really take place as well. So that's going to be very important. Who becomes C.R. Patil's successor, given the fact that C.R. Patil has a record of giving BJP 156 seats out of 188 seats, a record in itself that nobody's ever had, in all these years as well. He's surpassed all the records that Gujarat had ever created. Who becomes its successor? The caste combination becomes very important given the fact that BJP is known to have a Patidar face as a CM. And, will they give in an OBC candidate? That remains to be seen. Several names are doing the rounds. But tomorrow, if there's just one person filling in the nomination, then you'll get the name tomorrow itself.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for all of that information.